Good morning. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we have the pleasure of taking you through a quick walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. One of the most iconic and legendary models in the entire industry. An amazing boat for the family. So we'll talk a little bit about the options on this boat. We do have the upgraded engine power, the Mercury 115 4-stroke with the hull color upgrade to light blue. As you see here on the back port side corner, we have a nice swim platform with a telescoping dive ladder. The 17 Montauk is all about space, simplicity, durability, and so much more. So looking here in the cockpit, you'll notice for a 17-footer, we have ample space for fishing. Nice high stern rails for safety, but we've left the bow open in case you decide to install a trolling motor in the future. We do have the option to put some nice comfort into the boat, so we have optional port and starboard side bucket seats, which would pick up some extra seating, and then up in the bow we have an optional bow cushion, and then we do have the Igloo cooler upgrade with a backrest and cushion for the cooler. You'll see this boat is in storage mode right now. We have a combination helm and console seat cover. Here inside the console we have our battery for engine and house, plus the additional battery in case you install a trolling motor in the future. Again, just a quick walkthrough. We'd love to show you this boat in person and tell you all about it. Please come and see us at MarineMax Stuart or give us a call. Again, Brian McGlenn, 772-287-4495.